Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be doing a very short video of how to design your Amazon KDP book cover templates using the Amazon KDP book cover calculator, and hope you enjoy the video today. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to help boost the channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to go on Google search and search for KDP book cover size calculator, and we have to click on the first link there, and to take us to this page on the Kindle Direct Publishing. And all you have to do is just to fill this information, to enter your book information basically, where you enter the binding type. Here we'll choose paperback, and for the interior type you just have to select either black and white, premium or standard color, and we selected black and white. And for the paper type we select the white paper. You can also select cream depending on the one you want to use on your book. And for the paper tone direction we selected left to right, and right to left, but basically books are mostly from left to right. And measuring units, you can select between the inches and millimeters. There is no pixel in the option, so you can use millimeter or you can use inches. For this we'll be going for inches. And now we have to select the size of the book, which is the entire size of the book. We're going for the 6 by 9 inches, which is 6 for the height and 9 inches for the width. You can select any size depending on the book you want. And now we'll have to look for the total number of page, and we'll be going for 60 page here. And basically just click on calculate dimension, and you'll be given the picture of how your book cover will look like, the size of the book cover, and also information about the entire book cover, where you have the full cover length and the width, the height and the width, the front cover, the size, everything you need to know about your book cover basically, the spine, the safe areas, the space margin, barcode margin, and everything you need to know about your book cover. Basically all we just want to do is just to get a preview of our book cover before we download the templates. And all you have to do is just click on download templates, and the zip file will be downloaded to your PC, and you just have to extract it. Bye guys, so see you in the next video.